everyone, today I'll just be doing a really quick review on this night light by Vont. It comes in a 4-pack for a very reasonable price. As usual, I'll have the product link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. The nice thing about this particular night light, it has both motion sensing as well as light detection. So if it is very bright in the room, then it's not going to turn on unless it senses motion in front of it. We're just starting off with a classic old unboxing. You can see that it just comes with the 4 night lights in a very small size. And underneath that, you just have a single card for warranty information, feedback. Turning back to the night lights themselves, you can see they're individually packaged. And it's a very simple plug and play. You can see the light sensor and motion sensor right here in the front. The LED is right here at the bottom. The light is very subtle. It's just like a little glow. And you can see that the light is of a warmer temperature, so it's not something that's going to blind you in the dark. So its purpose is to provide just enough light to see the ground in front of you so that you don't go tripping something during the night. And now just to demonstrate just how well the sensor capability is. So first, right now, I'm just toggling through different levels of brightness with a nearby lamp that I have. And you can see that when it gets to a certain level of brightness, it automatically shuts off. And you can see just how quickly it reacts to the light changes, so that this will help preserve the life of the LEDs. And now I'm demonstrating the motion distance sensing. So you can see there's still adequate light that it doesn't normally stay on, but when I move about 2.5 feet in front of it, it gradually turns on the light. You can see it's a very gradual process of turning on the light and then turning off the light. So it's not like on, off instantaneously. So personally, I think this is a really great subtle night light to own. It functions as it should be and is priced reasonably, especially when it comes in this 4-pack. So if you guys are interested, as usual, the link is in the description.